Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ClickUp for time tracking and reporting, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the ClickUp homepage. Locate the Get Started button on the top right corner. Click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email address and create a password. Ensure your password is strong and secure. After filling in your details, click on Sign Up. You may be asked to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from ClickUp. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the ClickUp website. You will now see a welcome screen prompting you to set up your workspace. Enter a name for your workspace. Select the type of workspace that best fits your needs. Click on Next to proceed with the workspace setup. You will have the option to invite team members. Fill in their email addresses if you wish to add anyone now. If not, you can skip this step for later. Click on Continue to move forward. Now, you will be prompted to choose a default view for managing tasks. Select between List, Board, or Calendar view based on your preference. Click on Next to continue setting up your account. You may encounter a series of tutorials or tips for using ClickUp. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these features or skip them. Once you're in the main dashboard, navigate to the left sidebar. Find and click on Time Tracking. You will see an option to enable time tracking for your tasks. Toggle this setting to turn on time tracking. You can set up timers for individual tasks by clicking on a task. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.